Hey, how's it going, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, founder of limitless.com. And the reason why you're seeing this video is because you kind of know my face and you've seen me about before and you've seen kind of some of my stuff. And really what I share with you in this here video is really like most people when we get started online is we think that, you know, even before that there, you even get started online is like you think that to be a success in life, you need to go to college and get a degree and all this type of stuff. And that's not really the truth. And this really message is for somebody who's just like me, who thought that, you know, going to college and getting in all this debt was kind of a silly idea, and oh, you don't really want to do that there type of thing, and all you really want to do is actually get experience yourself. And that's what you can do with an online business, is you can go out there and get experience. And there's no one to say that you can and can't do these things. There's no one to tell you, you know, you can't do this, you need experience to do it. And that's the beauty about building an online business. The truth is, you don't need experience, you don't need a degree to start an online business. And even if you do get started building your own online business, you can take that experience, and if you don't see that much results at the start, you can take that experience and take it to other opportunities, which is going to be really valuable for yourself and all this type of stuff, my friends. So really I wanted to invite you to a training that I'm holding this coming Thursday. And the training is about the ultimate three strategies for building an online limitless business. And all you need to do if you want to register for that training is click the button wherever it is on this ad, wherever the link is, click it, and then you'll land on a page. It'll say register for the free training. All you do is click that button, register for the free training. It'll open up a form. You just put in your name and email address, and then I'll see you on the thank you page where I've got a cool bonus for you waiting. I'll see you there on Thursday. Have a great day. Bye bye.